Hi guys, this is again AMIFULLEST. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do another AliExpress weave unboxing for you guys. So yes, this is the last box weave that I ordered. So I told you guys I ordered 3 boxes, so I have 3 weaves. So I do unboxing on the other 2. So I'm going to do unboxing on this one. So this is what the weave, it comes in a plastic, but this is like the box. This is the hair company where I ordered this weave from. So this is the box, this is the name, and behind you have a whole bunch of information. So let's open this wig. I'm really excited. You know, I really like this one. I have been wearing this one a lot because it's black, and I really like the way it looks. So I've been wearing it a lot and I really like it. So yeah, I really like this one as well. So let's open this box. So when you open the box, this is what you see. This is the weave. It comes in this plastic, and you have eyelashes, you have a hair cap, and you have rubber band. This is very nice because I put rubber band in on my weaves, like here, just like this one. I kind of put rubber band from here so that it helps me lay the hair very flat, like this one. I don't need to put any glue, so I'm really happy that they're inclusive. They put a rubber band in it. So let's open this wig. This wig is 6 inches. It's very short. I want something short. I have 12 inches, 10 inches, and 6 inches. So yeah, so when you open the wig, when you open it, it comes in this net. When you open it, this is what it looks like. This is very short. Let's remove this plastic. You guys can see this is a very short weave. It's very short. This is what the outside looks like. This is the back. Let me say you put it on your head. This is the back. Let me move aside. So this is the back. It's very short, and this is what it looks like. I'll put the price and information, a link in the description box so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. This is not in color number 1, I think this is in 1, but it looks a little bit brown when you see the light, but it's black. So now you guys have seen the outside. Let's turn it over around. This is lace front. You also have a little bit of lace at the back, and you have a comb. It comes in with elastic. You have an elastic so you can adjust the weave into your head size. This I really like. It comes with extra comb. So yeah, it's a really nice, very soft cap. So you have a lace at the front. You also have like 3 comb. You have 1 comb here, 1 at the top, and also 1 at the side. In total you have 4 combs. So you have like 1 in the center, 2 at the side, like at the side, and then 1 in the back, so for extra security. And you can also use the rubber band for extra security if you don't want your weave to come out. So yeah, so this is the lace it comes in. You have a quite decent amount of parts, so you can part the hair a decent amount. So from here to here you have the lace front. So the lace is already browned, but a subscriber tell me about a hair color that she used, so I'm about to give that a try. I'm going to give that a try. So this is what it looks like, and it is really nice. It comes in with a middle part, but you can like put it on the side way if you guys want. So like if you want that, if you don't want it to be like straight bob, you can put it like in the side, like same with this one. You can, if you want this hair to be, you want the volume of the hair to lay on this side, you can part it because you have like an extra, you have extra parting space, so you can like part for the hair to, if you don't want it to be straight. So yeah, and this wig costs I think 30 something euro if I'm not mistaken, but I'll put all the link in the description box so you guys can see. I don't, let me see, I'm gonna log in into my account on AliExpress See, I bought this wig for 33 euros. It was on sale, okay? It was on sale. I bought it for 32 euros, and this is really, really nice. I really, really like it. So let me show you guys what the 6 inches of the weave look like. So this is the one I ordered. This is the 6 inches. I don't know if you guys can see the lighting, but this is what the 6 inches will look like. This is what it looks like. This is 6 inches. You have like different, you have 10 inches, 8 inches, but I decided to go for 6 inches just because I want something very, very short, and I kind of like it. I have not tried it on yet. It just came, so first I'm going to wash it. I'm going to cut the lace, the extra, like this lace, I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to connect that elastic that I got. What I normally do is that I turn the wig over, I put an elastic band from here to here, so that when I put the weave on, it's secure. I don't need to put a glue that is going to destroy my edges. So yeah, that's the reason why I like the weave that comes out like this, so at least you cannot see this side hair, because yeah, I don't really have time to like glue my edges, and I don't want my hair to break. So yeah, this is the last weave so far that I've ordered, and if I have hopefully when I have money, I want to I also saw another one. I want to order one that is like a black red something, and I really, really like it, so I also want to give that one a try. But yeah, this is the weave unboxing, and I really, really like it. It is really, really beautiful. This is what it looks like. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys have more tips, don't forget to leave tips for me in the comment box, because I don't know much about weave, so it's something that I'm just adventure into, so but I really want to learn more about it. But if you guys have any like a great tips for me, please leave it in the description box for me, or in the comment box. I'm really, really, really happy. And if you guys want to know how I get this look, don't forget to follow me on my beauty channel. I'll put all the links below, all the information. This is your AMIFULLEST, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe once more again, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, peace out.